Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I am Karita, and on this channel, I share content on natural hair, beauty, and entrepreneurship. So let's get straight into today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you how I basically ruined my hair in quarantine. I was not taking care of my natural hair, and so it caused my hair to become very brittle, very dry, super saturated with single stranded knots at the end, and also my hair broke off in the back. My edges looking crazy and all of that. And so if you experience something similar during quarantine where you also were not taking care of your natural hair, this video is going to provide you with the mistakes that I made as well as tips to help you get your hair back in a healthy and hydrated state. So the mistakes that I made. So the first mistake that I made in quarantine was that I kept my hair in cornrows or braids for weeks on end without a full wash day routine. And so the braids that I kept in my head were braids that I did on my own hair. And so over time, the roots were getting matted up. If these were cornrows, I feel like it would have not been that bad, but because these were single braids in my hair, as my hair was growing out, the roots were getting matted, and by the time I went to go take it out to wash it, it was a very long detangling process and it was just not cute. And so I definitely regretted leaving my hair in that state for such a long time because it definitely caused my hair to break off. So the second mistake that I made in quarantine was I did not have a full wash day routine. And so when I went to go take out my hair from whether the braids or cornrows, I would just shampoo my hair really quickly and skip the conditioner process, not even do a deep treatment or a hot oil treatment, and I will be on my way. And so as a result of that, my hair was not staying hydrated. My hair was not being moisturized. I was not even doing the LOC method or the LCO method for my hair. So mind you, my hair is low porosity, and so it's already hard for products to penetrate into the hair shafts. And so me not including any type of moisture or sealant into my routine just made my hair super brittle, super dry, and it just broke off. And so once I realized that my hair was not where I wanted it to be, I was definitely convicted to start taking better care of my natural hair. And so I found a hairstylist who had done my hair before quarantine, and I went back to her to give me a trim, to wash and deep treat my hair and all of that to just begin the process of reviving my hair. And so since then, these are 4 things that I've been implementing into my hair care routine, which I can attest to it helping to revive my hair back into a healthy and hydrated state. So here are 5 things that will keep your hair hydrated and reduce the risk of breakage. The first thing is to wash your hair once a week or every other week. And so by doing this, you are able to give your hair a restart and remove all the products, oils, creams, and everything that has been in your hair or sitting on your hair for the week or for the 2 weeks. You're able to give your hair a reset to start over with the natural oils that flow from your scalp. The next thing is to use conditioner every time you wash your hair. Yes, every time you wash your hair, and not just leave it in for 5 minutes, but actually leaving it in for a longer period of time, maybe up to 25-30 minutes, so that your hair can absorb the nutrients in the conditioner and help to really soften your hair, bring back your curls, and rejuvenate your hair. And while you're using the conditioner, make sure to focus on the ends of your hair, which are the oldest parts of your hair. So you want to focus on the ends of your hair and then gradually work your way into the roots, and make sure you leave the conditioner to saturate in your hair so that it can soften it back up. And so with detangling, I highly encourage you to divide your hair up into sections. Maybe you can do 4 or 6 sections or 8 sections, whatever you feel comfortable with. Make sure you are sectioning up your hair and not detangling your hair all in one run. Make sure you are working the products into your hair one section at a time to really help keep it moisturized and help the product spread evenly in your hair. The next thing is to use a hot oil treatment at least once a month. The oils that I have personally been using are avocado oil and flaxseed oil. I know that avocado oil really helps to penetrate the hair shaft and help moisturize the hair rather than sitting on top of the hair. And so, as I mentioned before, I do have low porosity hair, which means that my hair shafts are closely packed, and so it is hard for products and oils to penetrate into my hair. And so by using avocado oil, I'm breaking that barrier and getting into the shafts and allowing my hair to be moisturized. And so with flaxseed oil, it really helps to seal the cuticles and prevent breakage of the hair. And so these were the two areas that I was experiencing trouble with my natural hair, which was not having products to moisturize my hair and not sealing my ends. And so these two oils helped to tackle that specific problem that I was having with my hair. So with that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, make sure you like and share it with a friend, and also leave a comment below. How was your experience with your natural hair during quarantine? Were you able to take care of it well? Did you also make the same mistakes that I made? Go ahead and share in the comments below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I hope you found this video useful. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.